Science has proven the average human has thousands and thousands of thoughts each and every day. Among those thousands of thoughts, scientists claim 80% are negative, and a whopping 95% of those thoughts are repetitive thoughts. Let's stop and think about that for just a moment. According to scientific research, the average human is thinking thousands and thousands of negative thoughts day after day after day. That's awful. No wonder so many people aren't experiencing a life filled with joy or inner peace. Let's look at that second number, the number that says 95% of our thoughts are repetitive. Isn't that indicating we are just thinking the same kinds of thoughts over and over? And if 80% of those thoughts are of the negative variety, ouch! We spend our days thinking bad stuff about ourselves, about the world, about others, over and over and over. The Inner Peace Project will walk you through how to stop all that negative mental chatter and replace your thoughts with more joyous, better feeling thoughts that will truly transform your existence.